Welcome everyone! We are here with another great guided abs routine. Today we'll be targeting several areas of our core, including upper and lower abs and obliques. We have 8 exercises lined up, doing each exercise for 50 seconds with a 10 to 15 second rest in between. So let's get ready to engage our core and make some progress. First up, we have toe touches, lifting both legs and hands simultaneously and meeting in the middle. Keep it nice and controlled and engage your core through the movement. Just remember, when you feel the burn, you're making progress. So let's keep pushing. Let's hit reverse crunches next. Keep your back flat on the ground and bring your knees to your chest. Stay controlled with this movement, keeping your core engaged and maintain your feet about 6 inches off the ground during the extension. We're hitting lower abs here, so let's acknowledge the burn and feel all the progress we're making. Do not give up, you're doing great. Half jacks are up next. Keep your butt on the ground and explode up while simultaneously lifting each leg. Slowly lower yourself back to the starting position. This is an explosive movement and a challenging exercise. Take your time and find your rhythm with this one. Let's keep going. For bicycles, lean back about 45 degrees, feet off the ground, and imagine you're slowly pedaling a bike. Stay controlled and engage your core throughout this exercise. This will get tough, but don't give up. You got this. Next up, we have swimmer's crunch. Lie flat on the ground and interlock your hands. We're going to explode out of this movement and focus on hitting our upper abs. We only have a couple exercises left, so let's make each of these reps count. Hollow holds are up next. Lifting your feet and hands about 6 inches off the ground and engaging your core. This one will be challenging, but we will get through it. If you have to give your abs a break, that's okay. Just get back in the exercise as soon as you can. As you feel your abs burning, just think of all the progress you are making. Let's keep pushing.
Hello, you don't even know my name, but I am happy you came by. No lessons learned, of course you're gonna leave as soon as you came across who I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some other stuff that I don't even wanna hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, yeah, yeah. Hanging with somebody, yeah, yeah. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, yeah.
Finally, let's finish strong with a 50-second plank, followed by a 30-second spider crunch combination. Keep your butt down with the plank and squeeze your core. The harder you squeeze, the more progress you'll make. This is the last exercise, so be sure to challenge yourself.
Even find your company that good. My lessons learned, maybe I don't have to be around these people anymore. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, I don't know why I'm being here. They talk about some silly stuff, they even don't know if it's real. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, yeah, yeah. Hanging with somebody, yeah, yeah. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody, yeah.
In 5 seconds, we will go right into a spider crunch, alternating each knee up towards your elbow. We have 30 seconds with this one, and it's our last exercise. So let's make all of these reps count.
Maybe if I hold on a little longer, maybe if I stay, maybe I will find what I am looking for. I wanna be somebody, yeah, yeah. Hanging with somebody, yeah, yeah. Can I be somebody, dancing with somebody? I wanna be somebody,
And relax. Take some nice deep breaths. You've completed the workout, so congrats to you. And always remember, consistency is key. So I hope to see you back for our next workout. See you next time.